Alright, thanks for tuning in. Today I am going to use clip-ins that I had in a previous video that I'll put in the description box, and I'm going to make a new hairstyle. So here I have started to part my hair in the front. I wanted to do it a different way this time and do a little zigzag part. I also wanted you to know that I have sped this video up. I'm not moving that fast, just wanted to speed the video up a little bit. That gum must be so good. I got it from my daughter. Actually I didn't. I got it from my husband and it was good. The zigzag part wasn't working, so I decided to go another route. I'm actually filling up my water bottle here, and I'm going to saturate my hair with the water so it will be easier to use the comb and do my zigzag part. Whew, I got water dripping everywhere. Okay, it's time to tackle this part again. Although I'm not using a comb, and I should be, I'm actually using a crochet needle. Yeah, but it's working for me. It makes a really precise part. I always laugh when I look back at my video, all those faces I make. Like, look at that face that I'm making when I'm doing my hair. Okay, so I have did my part, my zigzag part, and put my hair into a little bun just to kind of separate my hair. Because the back will be with the clip-ins in it, but the front is going to be like slicked down and some baby hairs pulled out. So I'm just trying to separate it at this point. Now I'm going to start to section my hair off, and I'm going to do big, chunky 2-strand twists. It doesn't really matter how your hair looks under the clip-ins because none of your hair is going to show. I've never actually did the clip-ins where you blend it in with your hair. My cousin Tashada, she told me that that is the only way she has ever did it. Until she watched my video, she didn't even, I guess hadn't ever tried doing it where your hair isn't present at all. But I've never tried it the other way, so maybe I will do a video or I actually try to blend some in with my hair. I don't know. We'll try. We'll see what happens. But for now, I'm just doing big chunky twists all throughout my hair that I eventually will braid together. I know I said it doesn't matter about the twist, but it also doesn't matter about the part. So I'm just grabbing whatever comes with me, and that's a twist. Alright, I'm back. I'm in the living room and I am full of big chunky twists. So now it is time to detangle my hair that I've already used previously. I'm dancing a little bit, having a little fun. Have the radio on, so that's why I actually turned the volume off and I'm just talking over this because I didn't want to get hit for copyright on YouTube. But yes, I am detangling the hair so that I can put it in. And it doesn't really matter, depending on what hairstyle you do. Some of the other videos in the past, it didn't matter which one you use first, but for this hairstyle, it doesn't really matter which one you use first. So I'm just grabbing, and that's the one I'm going to use. And I'm also cutting off any of the straggly ends, that may have happened while I was detangling it. And this is water that I'm spraying on the hair. Next, I want to take all the big chunky twists and braid them together. You want like one sturdy base for your clip-ins. My husband is sitting here with me and he is watching me do my hair. I really don't like when people watch me do my hair, although it's kind of weird to say that because I'm posting videos of me doing my hair. But like someone watching me in person, I don't know why, it just really irks me. But he's definitely watching me and watches me for the entire video. I decided to braid the chunky twist into 2 separate braids and then put those 2 separate braids together as one so that I can have a sturdy base. as I say in all of my videos, you want to make sure that you braid all the way to the end. That was a little bit of hair that came off. Oh, so sad. I'm now taking the end and tucking it inside of the braid. And now it is time to put in my clip-in that I've already detangled. Let's go. Oh, hair fell out of it. Alright, so I'm starting to clip it in, going one by one and clipping it in. I so thought I was in the camera view where you guys could see it a lot better, but it looks like I am not. But if you have any questions about how to do the clip-ins, I have other videos. It looks like a little lopsided, but it's cute. Oh no, that's a hot mess. Alright, so I'm detangling the next piece. I like the clip-ins, but when you have them in your hair, they all get matted together. That was just a bobby pin that I had that was stuck in the hair. And this hair is not old, and it's not, you know, hair that shouldn't be worn. It's just, it really gets matted. I mean, I guess it's kind of like my real hair, you know, it's curly, so it gets matted sometimes too. So I'm detangling and talking with my husband, spraying the hair with water so that I can loosen it. I sprayed myself in the face. Okay. Uh-oh, get it? Dancing a little bit. Okay, so I'm ready to put this one in. Actually, you know what? No. I'm actually not going to put this in. No way. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and gel my front. And, of course, I use the Echo Gel. Anybody that watches any of my hair videos knows this is the only gel I use. Is the Echo Olive Oil Green Gel. The only one. And see how it just slicks my hair down with ease? It works so well on my natural hair. That's why I love it. I mean, I feel like once you find something that works, you don't really need to look for anything else. So this works for me, and I have been using it for about 4 or 5 years now. Okay, my edges are slicked down now. Great job. All right, let me wipe my hands off. Thanks, Aunt Sam, for the towel. Thank you. My aunt gave me that towel. It's a wonderful towel. It's so thick, it feels like a blanket. I actually curled up on the couch with it the other day and went to sleep. Like, I thought I had like the best blanket in the world. That's what I'm telling my husband right now. Alright, so let's get back to the hair. I'm going to take the piece that I was going to put in before and start clipping it in. And I just go up a little bit above the one that I did prior to that. As I'm putting it in, I also detangle and kind of style it. That way you don't have so much to do at the end. If you see any straggly hair like that I just pulled out or any of that, just go ahead and take care of it then. Alright, on to the next piece. And I'm kind of doing this like one-sided, like lopsided, like I do one side, and then I go to the other side and do that side so it can come out even. See how my husband is watching me. I think he's amazed at how women can transform their hair, but I don't like to be watched. Not in person anyways. Alright, just kind of checking everything out here to make sure everything's laying like it should. Oh no, I forgot something. I was supposed to leave a portion out, but wait a minute, I have an idea. I'll just do it a totally different way. I will wear a headband. No problem. It was lint in there. That's gross. But it was from the towel. Spraying it with water, detangling it, and what in the world? Is that a straight hair? Why is there one straight hair in this? Okay, let's cut this out. Okay, I'm getting closer to the finish. I'm getting closer to the top of my head, but still trying to detangle this weave. And the next time that I put this in, I'll wash it. This time it wasn't even really dirty. I didn't wear it that long. So I just decided I would just take it out and put it back in. But the next time I'll actually wash the tracks, the clip-ins. And I'll also probably do a video on that too. Throughout this video, my husband has been saying little funny and smart things to me, so I decided to spray him. Haha. And I told him I love him after that and asked for a kiss. But I was still happy that I sprayed him. He deserved it. Hey, get it, get it, get it, get it. What in the world? There is another straight hair. Okay, this is crazy. Let me cut it out. So right here is when me and my husband actually started to have a disagreement. So it's a good thing that the volume is taken out of this. Even though I'm mad, he thinks he's so funny. And I don't think it's funny at all right now. I said I'm mad at you. I'm mad at you. Nope, don't touch me. I'm mad at you. Ha ha ha, not funny. Okay, so while doing my hair, I noticed that there was a big gap, so I'm going in and filling that gap and then putting the other hair over top of it, just because you don't want to have a gap in your hair. Honestly, those faces I make when I'm doing my hair are unbelievable. Like, I really need to get it together. For some reason, all the curls right there in the front and this one clip-in kind of like curl together, so I'm trying to separate it my best that I can. nice, and I'm spraying water over everything, my entire clip-in. I just think the water saturates it, makes it look better, makes it look more natural. Hold on one second. Okay, now I have a headband. Actually, I put 3 bands on that my daughter actually bought me for Christmas, the black ones, and I'm gonna wear it like that. I'm also gonna put some of the aloe vera on. You know, I love it. Okay, here I'm just taking time to slick my edges down, slick my baby hairs down, so that you guys can see the finished product. And I think this is a cute and quick style. I am using the same clip-in, so it was cheap as well. And I'll post pictures of the finished look.